Good evening, pirate families. My name is Bernasia Barrett.
And I'm Luis Leon.
Here in your very own PNN studio. Here's what's happening here at Hartman. In athletics, paperwork for soccer will be due Monday, December 9th. Tryouts will be held for girls on Wednesday, December 11th, and boys Thursday, December 12th.
Also, don't forget to support the Pirates as they take on Cullen Bobcats here at home on Tuesday, December 10th, 2013 at 5:30 p.m. The cost to enter is $3 for adults and $2 for students.
On Friday, December 13th, we are hosting a winter festival, Texas style. Students get a full day of fun, food, and laughter. The cost to enter is $10.
Parents, don't forget tutorials from Monday through Thursday, 3:55 to 4:55, and on Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
We have a full night of fun lined up for you, right, Luis?
Yes, we do.
Signing off, I'm Bernasia Barrett.
And I'm Luis Leon.
Stay warm. Bye.
Bye.